Welcome to the channel. Dane Scott from Dane Scott's Truckers Lounge, doing some last minute brake fixins on Grasshopper, getting him ready to go to the Kenworth of Cleveland show in 2 weeks. We're also going to see if we can move the Crackerbox. We know he runs, but I don't know if it moves yet, so we're going to try that. And also we're going to do a fender installation on the Crackerbox, courtesy of MyTee Products. Also, this guy, he's going to get new shoes. So we got all kinds of things to show. I might even show you part 2 of the Ashland ATHS truck show that was at the end of June. I got to do part 2 yet, so I might show you those trucks too. I don't know. I got a lot to show you. Stick around town.
Painted sky in a sunset scene, through the window of a GMC, white lines and lighted signs got me hypnotized. There's nothing like the feel of a road and the smell of the diesel smoke. Another 10 or 20 miles, I'll be pulling in this thing.
So let's get this show on the road, shall we?
13 years of just laying it down, driving my GMC. Yeah, you know what I mean.
Got old Angus out this morning because he's going to get new shoes. Yeah, it's time to get that bad rubber off the back there in preparation for going out to Joplin next month to the GBATS show, 4 states, trucks, and the Chrome Shop Mafia. So I'm just waiting for my turn to get in line and back in over here. Old Angus. Gonna get him some new shoes today. That's just the first thing on the agenda. Here's the final result. Angus has some meat on his bones now, new shoes. Those bad boys will grab. I even noticed the difference in the ride coming home. I could tell the difference because the tires that were on it, they weren't good at all. What's that sound? Have I told you guys how much I love Detroit diesels in cracker boxes? About 48 pressure on the oil. 55 oil pressure. perfect. Just back up.
Huh?
That's perfect. Just back up. That's good. Yeah. All right. We have another sponsor, MyTee Products, and they're real close by in Solon, Ohio, which is like an hour and a half from here. And you know how I like to promote local businesses, so I'm going to show you what's on their website, because at first I thought they were just trailer parts, trailer products, and I went to their website and I looked and I said, holy smokes, they got all kinds of truck stuff and truck parts and everything. So at the end of the video, when you're done watching it, look down below in one of those links and you'll get a link for MyTee Products, and you'll get a discount because you're going from Trucker's Lounge. And when you get to the website, they've got cargo control, and they've got all of these subcategories of all kinds of parts: flatbed tarps, trailer parts, and truck parts. That's what we're interested in too. They have been a part of providing parts to get Grasshopper finished and ready to go. They've got auto towing and hauling. They've got farming supplies, tarping systems, heavy duty tarps, all kinds of stuff. So don't forget to go below and look at the link, click on it, and you'll get a discount because you're coming through Dane Scott's Trucker's Lounge. So check them out, MyTee Products. So we got a delivery here today. What do we have here? Well, this is from our friends at MyTee Products, and I do believe it's going to be the replacement for these disgusting quarter fenders on the Crackerbox. So we got us a job to do, so stick around town. These are going to be perfect for period correct. And I can't really set them in there, but looks like they're going to work just right. These are the they're kind of like a heavy duty plastic. 1, 2, 3. So I need 3 as opposed to 4. These old disgusting things. Mac, come on. Who puts Mac on GMC? I mean, give me a break. there's all those. They give us the backing strip, and we'll tighten all those down. What do you guys think? Yeah, I think they're gonna look awesome. Yep, and of course, I'll do my favorite. I'll put the logo GMC right here. So there you have it. Thanks, MyTee Products. Make sure you guys look down below and click the link to get 10% off of your parts from MyTee Products. Okay, boys and girls, gals and guys and guys and gals, I told you I was going to show you the part 2 for Ashland ATHS show back in June, but it's kind of a long one, so I would not do it justice by just throwing it in with this video. So I'm going to keep this video short, and I'm going to do a midweek video to start getting these shows out. I've got the second part of Ashland, which is basically the whole show on Saturday, the big day, and then I've also got the Class 8 on the Lake truck show to show you too. So I don't want to throw those in just on any video. So we're going to wrap this video up early, and I got 2 things to tell you. Number 1, that Crackerbox is still available in Northeast PA. I'm telling you, it's a killer deal, and it's a killer Crackerbox. It runs. Here's some updated pictures. He pulled it out of the garage, and he's got it running to show you. Just the number's right there on the screen to get a hold of Jeff. And number 2, we have a new company forming that's going to make some Save the Cabovers type of stuff. Shirts and decals and hats and all kinds of stuff. Save the Cabovers, yeah baby. So I'll be showing you some of that merchandise in an upcoming video. They're sending me some, should be coming any day. So with that, I think we're going to call this a wrap. So listen, until the next time, keep the hammer down, safe and sound. Ready to rock there, Colombo? Yeah, thank you.